Hey everyone, this is Lethalogica X, and I got another package today. I am super excited for this. This is challenge lock number 2 coming at me. So this was sent by user Winespodiodi. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Alright, let's see what is inside. Now, I believe I already know one of the items that's in here. I arranged with him for him to send me something, which he graciously accepted. So, thank you. Ooh, it's a big noisy package. I might have to turn that down in post or something. There's some wording on the inside of this bag. Wisconsin is home to the world's largest accordion. Neato. Okay, let's get this open. Oh, it's very nicely packaged. Holy cow. Very nicely packaged. So there's our challenge lock. Oh man, and here it is. This, if I remember correctly, this has a little USB key inside of it. And, oh yeah, there we go. So I guess it's being locked in there by the shackle. How cool is that? And the intent is that when I pick this, I will stick this key into my computer and I will log down that I have picked it. And this lock is going to keep track of everyone who has ever picked it. Ah, there it is. This is what I arranged with him to get. He sent me a wonderful 3D printed pinning tray. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Let me show you what I was using before. This was my cardboard and duct tape pinning tray, literally made out of a Coca-Cola box. It took me probably like an hour or two to slap this thing together. I've tried making better versions out of cardboard and duct tape, and yet none of them have actually surpassed this model. But Winespodiodi, you just blew it out of the park with this one. This is great. Thank you so much. Can't wait to put that to use. Hopefully in just a few minutes. I think this is a secondary key fob. So the USB key could also go into this one. Not entirely sure about that. Key. I'm going to guess that there's a key in here, and I'm not going to look at that. I believe this might have been 3D printed as well. I don't know. No, he's just got the same rough coating, possibly. He's put some kind of like coating on this lock that makes it really gritty, and that might be the same thing that's on here. I don't know. And oh, that looks like a USB key. So I will have to see what all that is about. Hello. He's sent me 2 tensioners as well, and there's something else in here. Ooh. Hello. This appears to be the world's largest tensioning wrench. I'm not really sure what else it could be. The ends are beautiful. This one's like serrated. I really hope I'm not guessing wrong, and that's supposed to be a tension wrench. And this looks like a custom-made pick. Yeah, with a 3D printed handle, again, covered with the same material on the lock. I definitely do not have a profile that looks like that, and holy cow is it thin. Oh my goodness, I need to get my calipers. Where are they? Here they are. Sorry folks, but this thing is just incredibly tiny. Oh my goodness, that is 14 or 15 thousandths of an inch thick. I'll say 15. Oh my goodness. Whew, that is a teeny tiny pick. I love it. Thank you. I will try not to break it. This looks like it's so breakable. Oh my goodness. World's largest tensioning wrench and 2 other tensioners. Oh, holy cow, I didn't even realize at first. I think these are like rakes, and well, the one of them is a rake, and the other one is possibly like a combination hook and diamond? A half diamond? That is super neat. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going to play with those later. But now I think it's on to the star of the show. That would be this beautiful challenge lock. Ooh. There's a little bit of styrofoam floof in there. Oh man, I'm so excited for this. Another American lock. So, let's see if I can do a better job counting pins this time than I did last time. So, what? Why does the first pin not even want to move? What is going on? Oh, there we go, it's just stuck. Oh, it's really stuck. Oh, I can already tell there's some horrible pins in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm really not too sure. Everything in here feels so weird. You know what? We're gonna find out later. I'm just gonna poke around and hopefully we get it open. So I'm going to limit myself to a 10-minute picking attempt this time, because I don't think anyone wants to see a massive 20-minute long video. Alright, so time begins now. Alright, let's see what we got. We got some little click on 1. Got nothing on 2. 3 feels like nothing. I think 4 is binding. And it really doesn't want to set. Let's move on. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think there's anything on 5. It really doesn't feel like there's anything else back there. Might still just be a 5-pin. Of course, I could be entirely wrong. If you see words right now, I'm probably wrong. Some click maybe off of number 3. Yeah, there's definitely some weirdness going on in this lock. Can't even get a false set out of it. I think we had an overset pin there. Yeah, these pins really aren't telling me much. They all feel like they're either set or not binding. Number 1 is either a gatekeeper, he's really low, or he's just got some mad serrations on him and he needs to go way up there. Okay, I don't think I've got any overset pins. But I don't know if I have any set pins either. Still not even in a false set. Oh, okay, I got number 1 to move, and I feel like I might have gotten some core movement. So I might be in the beginnings of a false set now. Let's see. Number 3 is weird. Oh. No way. No way. Oh. Oh. I don't believe it. I thought I was gonna go over 10 minutes on this. But nope, that is a picked lock. Excellent. Oh. Alright, so that took about 4 minutes. We have another USB key in here, so I'm not sure what the deal is with the 2 of them. I'll have to ask him about these. I'm gonna keep the one that was with the lock. Alright. So, we've got our little key. We have our new pinning tray. This one can just... Oh no, that's duct tape. I'm not gonna be able to rip that. We're just gonna get rid of this thing. Goodbye, horrible duct tape and cardboard pinning tray. Oh, I'm so glad I never have to use this thing again. Oh man. Alright. Let's get to gutting. Get all that styrofoam bits out of there. Super excited to see what pins he's got in here. Get that anti-bypass wafer out of there. Okay. Slippery pick. All the sweat from picking. Again, we are leaving this in a picked state because I want to make sure I've picked all the pins properly. But I'll remember to show you the key this time. Almost forgotten I had to add that in post last time. Okay, before we have a potential gutting disaster, let's shim this. I totally forgot to shim the last lock as well, but it's always good practice to shim every single lock. I think if number 5 was a T-pin there, I would have been ruined. Alright, now we should be safe. Beautiful, no gutting disaster today. Oh, number 1 was 0 lift. Interesting. So that time I thought I got a click on it, yep, that was overset. He's put a big old gatekeeper there. Lovely. 2, 3, 4, 5, and nothing in 6. Maybe I'm getting better at counting pins, who knows? Yeah, all those had quite a bit of moving they had to do. Interesting. So that means... Ooh, he has made a custom key for this. Oh, that's magnetic. That's how it was staying together. Cool. I wonder if he printed magnets like right into the build. Awesome. So yeah, that is definitely a custom key right there. Get it nice and close. You can see he really took a file to that. He put some big nasty grooves in that key. Holy cow. Okay. Yeah, let's get our key pins out first. An excellent little pinning tray. Yeah, he's done a lot of modifications to these pins. I will get you a close-up in just a moment. And I'll try to make it less shaky than last time, too. Classic American springs. Holy cow. Calm down there, Satan. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to call these guys. No. No way. That's a pin-and-pin driver. You've got to be kidding me. Oh. Springs are getting away. Alrighty. We'll get these pins a little closer. Yeah, that's not too bad. There, this time I'm not holding it. It doesn't shake. So, my goodness. It's like a serrated, rounded spool of some kind. That is super interesting. There's fluff on my pick. This looks like one of those a barbell, like a little weights. Holy cow. Yeah, the middle of this is just so thin. And these big, heavy serrations on the top and bottom. My goodness. Moving on to number 3. Oh, this kind of looks like a serrated T-pin. Get our focal point a little closer. So it kind of looks like the diameter is reduced on the bottom side of it here compared to the rest. And then the whole thing is just serrated like you wouldn't believe. Alright, moving on to number 4. Oh, I couldn't believe it when I took this out. Guys, that's hollow. He's made a pin and pin. Oh no. Oh, that went somewhere. I'm gonna have to cut. I couldn't find it. I'm so sorry. Winespodiodi, I'm gonna get in contact with you and figure out how to fix this. I'll keep searching, but I don't know what to do. It's gotta be around here somewhere. I'm so sorry about this, everyone. Anyway, we saw what we could of the 4th pin. Let's carefully look at the 5th. About to lose that one as well. Okay. This one is like a little micro spool with some heavy serrations on the one side. That's really, really neat. Oh, I'm just so bummed I couldn't find that pin. I'm so sorry. Anyway, that's about it for this challenge lock. I would get this back together off camera, but I can't. I'm missing a pin. Anyway, I think that's about all I have for you today. If you liked what you saw, then please like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, guys, I had almost given up hope. Oh, and then I found it. I found it. It's back. I found it. Haha. I spent like half an hour looking for that stupid tiny little pin. I had given up hope that I would ever find it ever again, and then I found it. It didn't even make it all the way down onto the floor. It landed on the desk, which is why I couldn't find it. Oh, I'm gonna have to be way more careful with these pins moving forward. They're just so tiny and so easy to lose. Alright, now I'm gonna get this lock back together. Alright, have a good one.